Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is April 1st, 2025, and here are our top stories. Forest fire drones, LLM insights, forgery risks, AI ethics. Forest fire drones. Dryad Networks, based in Berlin and Eberswalde, has unveiled its Silvaguard drone designed to detect wildfires early using artificial intelligence. These autonomous drones are part of a comprehensive fire alarm system, integrated with a network of gas sensors known as Silvanet. When a fire is detected, Silvanet signals a Silvaguard drone. This early warning system is powered by solar energy, making it operational around the clock. Sensors are mounted on trees, each covering an area the size of a football field. Upon fire detection, the drone flies to verify and assess the situation. With real-time analysis, the drones can even extinguish small fires using acoustic waves. Dryad is testing the system in several countries, including the United States, Canada, Italy, Thailand, Germany, and Lebanon, with plans to expand to Australia and New Zealand. LLM insights. Anthropic, known for its work on large language models like Claude, has crafted a novel analysis technique that offers surprising insights into how these models operate internally. Contrary to many previous assumptions, the results reveal that models often take unexpected shortcuts to complete sentences, solve basic math problems, or reduce hallucinations. Inspired by brain scan techniques from neuroscience, Anthropic has developed what they describe as a microscope that examines different parts of a model in its action. This method highlights which components are active at various times, allowing researchers to zoom in and record their activity. This circuit tracing approach illuminates the internal structures of a language model, but does not explain how or why they form during training. Forgery risks. OpenAI's latest image model, GPT-4o, is making waves with its ability to create highly realistic fake document images in mere seconds. Imagine fake bank transfers, medical letters, or diplomas that look incredibly convincing. The ease with which such forgeries can be produced may overwhelm security checks in companies and government agencies, given the sheer volume of potential fakes. To counteract this, OpenAI embeds specific metadata into all GPT-4o generated images to mark them as AI-generated. However, this protective measure is only effective if checked, and skilled users might find ways to bypass it. AI ethics. An unsecured database of a generative AI image generator has exposed tens of thousands of explicit images, including manipulated depictions of celebrities like Ariana Grande and the Kardashians, who were artificially rejuvenated. The database contained over 95,000 records, featuring prompts and corresponding AI-generated images. Some images potentially involve criminally relevant content. After being contacted by Wired magazine, the responsible company took its websites offline to prevent further access to these sensitive materials. This incident highlights significant security gaps in managing and storing sensitive AI-generated content, emphasizing the need for companies to implement effective protective measures to prevent unauthorized access and avoid potential legal consequences. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.